Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about phonetics. And phonetics actually shows you accuracy in pronunciation. I repeat, accuracy in pronunciation. So, as we are Bangladeshi, we cannot make words like the British. It needs much practice. Yeah, we can. So, there is some sort of technique that you can do that. So, at first, I'm just sharing this both. Both means a kind of promise that, yeah, developing confidence in you. Look at this, I'm just going through it. And this is inspired from Yasir sir, one of the icons of pronunciation. He has been experimenting on pronunciation in Bangladesh for over 20 years. He's very much talented and he's English language trainer too. He said, and in his lines, these are the lines, I'm the best creation of my theater. Look at my pronunciation. I'm the best creation of my theater. I have firm faith in myself. I'm confident. I'm focused. And I'm diligent. I was born only to succeed. I was born only to succeed. I know my goal, and I believe I can. Please God, make me strong. So this is the promise that is there. So for having a better pronunciation, there are two things that you must follow. Breathing. Right? Remember, breathe in properly. It's a kind of exercise. Then you can talk properly. And breathe out properly. When you are breathing in, at that time you cannot talk. When you are breathing out, you can talk. So this kind of inhale and exhale exercise will help you to have accurate pronunciation with confidence. So at the last part, you have to believe when you are going to bed, I'm the happiest person on earth. So the kind of pronunciation that I've used here, these are called standard form of pronunciation. This helps a lot. Alright, so here if you just focus on phonetics, at the beginning I have gone through some sentences. As you know, reading is a very good exercise because it clarifies pronunciation. But now I will show you accuracy of pronunciation. I'm sure whenever you will go through these words, you will pronounce them wrongly. You will read the words or utter the words wrongly. The first word is not father, it's father. Father. A sound. Father. And this is not army. Rather, army. Army. Not R is pronounced. Firming. Firming. Harmful. A sound. Hot. Oven. Not oven. Oven. If you notice very carefully in the Hollywood movies or even some other movies, they never say oven. They say oven. Oven. Mother, brother, but, heart. Onion, not onion. 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 I don't like onion. Remember. And other. Now let's focus on this A sound and U sound. At the beginning I focused on A, long, A, short. Now this is A, U. You need facial exercise. A, suppose bad, bad, bed. There is a difference. So my mouth should be flushed. Look at this. Bad, sad, cat, mat, lad, had, act. These are all a sound. Bad, sad, cat, mat, lad, had, act. Now let's come to two sounds. Should, good, bull, pull. Right? Bull, pull, good, should. These are two sounds. So remember, these four sounds clarify one thing very clearly, that when we utter the words, we need to be a little bit careful because it will change the meaning. Let me tell you one thing. Suppose when a foreigner comes to your shop, suppose you are a shopkeeper, and foreigner said that, "Can I get some potatoes, please?" Sorry, would you please tell me again? Can I get some potatoes, please? Potatoes. We say potatoes, but they say potatoes. So look at the difference in pronunciation. Another word. Did you come today? Another sound. You'll get confused. What did you say? It means today. Did you come today? So pronunciation is a big factor in conversation. Basically from Asia to European countries, there is a vast difference. That's why this is the class 2. Right. Thigh. The, die. I'll tell you. Yeah. Yet. Wo, wet. Ma, meat. Na, meat. In, sing. Ra, right. La, light. Ha, height. So have a look here. The temperature is very high. So these are the phonetic symbols which I have written here. I'll clarify this once again. Pen. Ben. Den. Den. Kate. Gate. Fan. Van. Say. Z. Shape. So this will not be like this. It will be like long shape. It's like snake. Right? This is not jaw, this is short. I got a mistake at the beginning. Shepherd. Zephyr. Right? Now it's correct. Cherry. Jerry. Tie. Die. Yet. Wo, wet. Ma, meat. Na, meat. In, sing. Ra, right. La, light. Ha, height. So these are all sounds that I'm talking about. Consonant sounds, there are 24 sounds which I have already discussed. Just we are going to revise them. Have a look here. There is a kind of rhythm in every single word so that you feel better and you enjoy when you are learning. So pen, ben, ten, den, hate, gate, fan, van, sad, zed, shepherd, zephyr, child, jelly, tie, die, yet, wet, meat, neat, sing, right, light, height. So these are the all 24 consonant sounds which are very easy and very basic. At the beginning you might find it a little bit boring, but when I'll discuss something related to it, then you'll find very interesting. Now we are going to be practicing this both with 3 participants together. So I'd like to welcome Baijit first. Read the first few lines.
First of all, thank you for giving me opportunity. And first one is, I'm the best creation of my creator. I have firm faith in myself. I'm confident.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Next one, please.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this chance. I am focused and I am diligent. I was born only to succeed. Please God, I know my goal and I believe I can. Please God, make me
Thank
strong.
you. Thank you.
Please God, make me strong. I'm the happiest person on earth.
Alright, so I taught you a lot of sounds. Now let's practice this. It's not going to be that much easy. Look at the first word, D-E-B-U-T. The sound will be debut, not debut. Debut. Debut means you are doing something for the first time. And B-O-U-Q-U-E-T, bouquet. Bouquet. Right? Then G-E-N-R-E, that is genre. Genre means type. B-U-F-F-E-T, buffet. 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 You could say buffet. Remember. So debut, bouquet, genre, buffet. Plumbing. B will not be pronounced. Plumbing. Pigeon. Plea. Plateau. Sorry, platelet. Platelet. Plateau. Plate. Plate. Plagiarism. Pigeon. Pigeon. Picture. Television. Vision. Television. Pleasure. Leisure. Not leisure. Leisure. Entrepreneur. 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 Lose. When present is verb, it will be present. Present. And when it is noun, present. 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 Right? When it is noun, it will be zen. Present. Melamine. Not melamine. Melamine. Another word I'll teach you. We say advertisement is wrong. It will be advertisement. Advertisement. So it is melamine. January. Potatoes. Examination. graduation, academic, 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 day is loud, high pitch, academic, inappropriateness, inappropriateness, publication, application, publication, pronunciation, pronunciation, bad, badly, Cambridge, Cambridge, not Cambridge, Cambridge. Yeah? How did I know these words? Because I know consonant sounds, right? Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you correct pronunciation of alphabets. Actually, here. So this is the pronunciation that is very important for all of us. So Jabi, please come here and read that. The phonetic transcription is also given here. Please read. Loud, right?
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
J,
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z or Z.
right. Thank you very much. So this is actually the way to pronounce the words. If we do otherwise, our pronunciation gets wrong. That's the basic part. If you know it, this is very helpful. If you notice very carefully, look at this. A. This sound is A. B. C. D. E. Long E. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. O. Not O. O. P. Force. There is a force. Pen. Pen. Pencil. You say pen. Pencil. Because we pronounce it wrong. That's why. Pen. P. Q. R. S. T. U. University. V. Verify. W. Watch. X. Xerox. Y. Yell. Z. Zone. So if you just link one word, the pronunciation will be very clear. So once again I'm going through it. A. Add. B. Bite. C. Catch. D. Drive. E. Eat. F. Fight. G. Guide. H. Hide. I. Insult. J. Judge. K. Keep. L. Lead. M. Manage. N. Need. O. Observe. P. Pick. Q. Follow. R. Run. S. Serve. T. Try. U. Understand. V. Verify. W. Watch. So as you know, we have done it already. This pronunciation is extremely vital for accurate pronunciation. If you notice very carefully here, some words I have written, they are very confusing because the spelling of the words do not suggest the correct pronunciation. Look at the first word, indict. Oh my goodness. Sir, why indict? It should be indict. The correct pronunciation of this word is indict. It's a verb. This is schedule, or you could say schedule, but schedule is correct. Camouflage. Camouflage means taking a different shape. Suppose, you know, chameleon. You do not know chameleon? The Bangla word is girgiti. It can change its color very nicely. This is called camouflage. This is tomb. So you could ask me, sir, where is ba sound? If there is B at the end of any word, it will always be silent. Suppose C-O-M-B, com. B-O-M-B, bomb. So T-O-M-B, tomb. Tomb. Not tomb. Tomb. Breathe. Is it correct? No, it is breath. Breath is noun. And breathe, it means verb. Inhale. So let me give you a suggestion. When you feel uneasy, uncomfortable, breathe. It means if you increase your oxygen level, you will feel better. Always. If there is a chance of heart attack, chance of brain stroke, always breathe and breathe, you will feel better. Gradually it will become normal. It means give more oxygen to the body. This is simple technique. So once I supposed to face a terrible problem in my body, I started breathing very deep. 30 seconds continuously. Means I'm giving 100% oxygen. Gradually I started feeling better. Then look at the pronunciation of this word. It's not flew, flew. I repeat, flew. Fly, flew, flown. Fly, flew, flown. What is this? You said dias? No. Days. What is this? Nepo. Correct pronunciation is Nepo, not Nepal. Nepo. English is Nepo, but Bangla is Nepal. Nepo. What is this? Ducks. Correct pronunciation is ducks. When there is S, ducks. But when there is no S, then do. There is another word. C-L-O-T-H. Cloth. Clothes. You could say cloth, but this one is always clothes. I repeat, this one is always clothes. I have so many clothes in my house which are needed to be cleaned up. Consumer. Not consumer. Consumer. Assume. Assumption. Genre. Alright? So these are the sound words you need to remember. Indict, schedule, camouflage, tomb, breathe, breath, breathe, flew, days, Nepal, ducks, consumer, assume, assumption, genre, cloth, flutes. When it is plural, flutes. Pronunciation, repeat with me. Okay? When I say, you say. Please come to me today.
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 Can you tell me the time, please? Can I use your pen and pencil, please?
Can I use your pen and pencil, please?
Who scored the top?
Who scored the top?
I have 10 times more.
I have 10 times more.
Not more, more.
More.
I have 10 times more.
I have 10 times more.
You can come quietly by wearing a cap.
You can come quietly by wearing a cap.
You can come quietly by wearing a cap.
You can come quietly by wearing
A cap.
a cap.
Please cancel today's meeting.
Please cancel today's meeting.
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 Please cancel today's meeting.
Please cancel today's meeting.
You could say meeting, but meeting is the sound. Meeting, not meeting. It's meeting. They say it quickly in American pronunciation. Hopefully you understood, right? This is a kind of drill. I will do another drill after that. So aspirated sound reading. Have a look here. The blue and white boat stand tall in the water. It measures 40 meters long and 10 meters wide. It is a floating hospital. Inside the boat is an operating theater, recovering bed, and laboratories. A team of 22 people work on the boat. These includes doctors, nurses, cooks, and support workers. They give treatment to the riverside communities of Bangladesh. Hospitals are rare in these countryside areas. Many of the patients have no other way of getting a kind of health care. Expert doctors work long hours in the operating theater on the boat, as well as treatment. They offer training and health education. So if you notice the way I have gone through it, there is a kind of rhythm in it. And you have to follow the rules of pronunciation so that it becomes accurate. And there is expression, high pitch sound, low pitch sound. This is important. So expression, you need to continue with the, when you are going to stop the sentence, you have to go down. When you are going to start, go up. Something like this. So if you notice very carefully, the blue and white boat stand tall in the water. It measures 40 meters long and 10 meters wide. Is it wide? I'm coming down. The blue and white boat stand tall in the water. Getting down. I started out. So this is called intonation. So I'd like to request you, some of you, to come and read. Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all in today's last session, and today is the last class with you. And we are going to be focusing on phonetics, vowel sounds. But before that, let's revise yesterday's class, and I'm going to be just going through the revision of consonant sounds first. So as you can see, I have already written everything here. The first word, per sound, t sound, p, t sound. So have a look. Pen, pencil, port, program, pension. So there is a kind of rhythm. Then tea, time, tip, teacher, taxi. So taxi, teacher, tip, time, tea. Can, not can, cute. King, kiss, quick. Can, cute, king, kiss, quick. So you have to just read again and again so that your pronunciation gets very much clear with the vocal sounds. So have a look here, all these 24. So have a look here, hat, bat, hat, bat, tin, din, tin, din, coat, goat, fat, vat, sink, zinc, charge, judge, think, that. Yes. What. Man. None. In sing. In ring. Right. Light. Height. So pat, bat, tin, din, coat, goat, fat, vat, sing, zing, charge, judge, think, that, yes, what, man, none, sing, ring, right, light, height. So these are going to be quite interesting because when you go through it rhythmically and you feel better and the sounds gets very much clear and it is understandable all over the world with the British people and with, as well as with the American people. So that's the main target of today's class. So let's introduce the main part of it today, the vowel sounds. And vowel sounds are really divided into 3 sections. The first section is diphthong. There are 8 diphthongs in English. There are 5 long vowels, 7 short vowels. So let's go to the diphthongs. So what do you understand by diphthong? Diphthong means double vowel sound. Double vowel sound. So have a look. First sound is A. So I would like to read and write at the same time so that it gets very much clear to you. A, day, tail, snail. So you could say, sir, how could you say this is day, this is tail, this is snail? This is a phonetic transcription of the original word. So A, day, tail, snail. I, try, cry. Boy, toy. Ear, here, fear. Air, tear, bear. Work, tour, poor. Go, so. How, now. It's interesting. This is the original sound of it. Have a look here. I came here today. This tail is really nice. The snail is slow. I tried my level best. They cry for food. The boy needs toy. I hear but fear. They tear and saw a bear. We made a tour, but they're poor. So we go. Can you tell me how? But it's now. Can you tell me how? But it's now. So these are all double vowel sounds and diphthongs. This is very important. So let's go to the long vowels. There are 5 long vowels. E, A, O, A, U, bit, bed, bird, boat, bird, food. You cannot say food. It's food because this is long. Food. Once again, bead, bird, boat, bird, food. Short sounds, short vowels. Bit, bet, bat, not, Nut. Good. Anat. So you have to pronounce them quite quickly. You cannot just continue like, phonetic sargam. There is a You understand? Means short vowels. Look at this. Hill. Hill. Alright? Hill. It means long sound. Hill. So there is a difference with the long and short sounds. So these are E, A, U, E, A, O, U, A. This is very short A. Ana. You remember there is an article A. I saw a bear. I saw a bear. This, that, A. We say A. This is not A actually. A. Correct pronunciation is always I saw a bear. Anat. A picture. Something like this. So these are all vowel sounds. Start. So one thing I should remind you that as I have been talking about diphthongs, consonant sounds and vowel sounds, short vowels, long vowels, there is a nice relationship with Bangla alphabets and English alphabets. And very interestingly, let me tell you one thing. There are 26 alphabets in English, but there are 44 sounds in English. On the other hand, Bangla alphabets are 50 with the consonant sounds and vowel sounds, but there are 36 sounds in Bangla alphabets. So remember one thing, you have to know how to pronounce Bangla alphabets well. Suppose, if you think about the vowels of Bangla, Oi, O, O. Alright? These are the sounds that helps. And similarly in the consonant sounds, Ko, Kho, Go, Gho, Ngo, Cho, Cho, Jo, Cho, Nyo, Do, Tho, Do, Dho, No, Po, Pho, Bo, Bho. Right? So if you just go through all the words in a systematic order, your Bangla will be nice, at the same time your English will be accurate. That is what I am talking about. So let's revise once again. Day, I, try, oi, boy, year, here, air, tear, were, tour, oh, go, so, no, out, how, now. So these are double vowel sounds. Let me teach you one thing. So you could ask me, sir, why did you say bear? I also know bear. So bear is animal and it is noun. But when it is verb, it will be bear. Bear, bear. Tear is a verb. Tear. But when it is noun, tear, tear. Yeah. So don't mix up. Due to pronunciation, meaning will change. Alright? So remember it. Tear, tear, bear, bear. Double sound, double meaning. So have a look here. Let's come to this. Pronunciation, read aloud. It means if you read loudly, there will be clarity of pronunciation. Please don't feel bored. Have a look here. Pronunciation, read aloud. A son took his old father to a restaurant for an evening dinner. Father, being very old and weak, while eating, dropped his food on his shirt and trousers. Other diners watched him in disgust while his son was calm. I repeat, a son took his old father to a restaurant for an evening dinner. Father, being very old and weak, while eating, dropped his food on his shirt and trousers. Other diners watched him in disgust while his son was calm. So this is one kind of reading which is very clear, very audible and understandable. Let's come to the tongue twister. I thought a thought, but the thought was not the thought. I thought. And remember, a philosopher says, God is a thought, thinking thought. So this is a tongue twister. It helps you a lot for movement of the vocals, basically with the intonation, high pitch and low pitch sound. Now let's come to the phonetic transcription. So these are the symbols I have used here. Look at this. The, sir, this. The, is. Ma, I, my. This is my. Ka, na, ta, e. Country. Ba, a, la, e, de, e, sorry, a, de, e, sh. Bangladesh. So this is my country, Bangladesh. I, love, love. Ha, ra, ha. B, e, ra, e. Very. Ma, ch, much. I love her very much. Sh, e, she. The, is. The, ma, t, most. You, t, l, beautiful. K, n, t, e, country. In, the, the world. She is the most beautiful country in the world. So there is not a single mistake. Have a look. This is my country, Bangladesh. I love her very much. She is the most beautiful country in the world. There is not a single mistake. So this is how your pronunciation will be like a very high standard pronunciation. Now these are the exercise. You'll do that. Let me try once. She is my daughter. They are my classmates. What is your purpose? Do you like me? I don't know. Who's that? It's a new joke. What did you say? Give me a pen. Give me a pen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you a secret. We can fight back together. So let me repeat. She is my daughter. They are my classmates. What is your purpose? Do you like me? I don't know. Who's that? It's a new joke. What did you say? Give me a pen. Let me tell you a secret. We can fight back together. So this is the way. Interesting. Two friends, and they're doing something like this. John likes black coffee, but I like white. I like daytime. John likes night. I like hot showers, but he likes cold ones. I wear new clothes, but he likes old ones. John has short hair, but I have long. I like weak tea. He likes strong. I wear high heels. He wears low ones. He likes fast cars. I like slow ones. Why are we friends? Because you see, I like him and he likes me. Read a few lines. So first, Bajit, please come over here and just go through it. Pronunciation read I'm talking about. Come over here.
John likes black coffee, but I like white. I like daytime, John like night. I like hot showers, but he like cold ones.
Thank you. Noema, please come over here. I wear new clothes.
I wear new clothes, but he likes old one. John has short hair, but I have long. I like iron, he likes strong. I wear high heels, he wears low ones.
Right, thank you. Relax.
He likes fast hair, I like slow ones. Why are we friends? Become you see. I like him and he likes me.
So there is a correction definitely. Reader. From the beginning. No problem. There could be some problems. No problem.
John likes black coffee, but I like white. I like daytime, John likes night.
Thank you. Next one, please. I like hot showers.
I like hot shower, but he likes cold ones. I wear new clothes, but he likes old ones.
Thank you. Next one. New one. I wear
I wear new clothes, but he likes old ones. John has short hair, but I have long.
very good. Next one. I like
I like weekday. He likes strong. I wear high heels. He wears low ones. He likes fast cars. I like slow ones. Why are we friends? Because you see, I like him and he likes me.
very good. Nice. Now I'd like to welcome the girls to participate here a little bit. Let's see how you perform. Please come over here. Read a few lines first. Yeah. What are the few lines?
John likes black coffee, but I like white. I like daytime, John likes night. I like hot showers, but he likes cold ones. I wear new clothes, but he likes old ones.
Thank you.
John has short hair, but I have long. I like weekly, he likes strong.
Thank you. Mahabub.
I wear high heels. He wears low ones. I like fast cars. I like he likes slow ones. Why we are friends? Because you see, I like him and he likes. Sorry, I'm confused. I like him.
Read
and
again. Read again.
I wear high heels. He wears low ones. I like fast cars. He likes slow ones. Why are we friends? Because you see, I like him and he likes me.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So this is all about it. And after a while, we will go through some sort of listening, and then we will go through phonetic circle. First, please.
A son took his old
father to a restaurant for an evening dinner. Father, being very old and weak, while eating, drops his foot on his shirt and trousers. Other diners was him in disgust while his son was calm.
I thought and thought, but the thought was not the thought. I thought, and remember a philosopher says, God is a thought, thinking thoughts. I thought, but the thought was not the thought. I thought, and remember a philosopher says, God is a thought, thinking thought. The, this. I, the, is. Ma, I, my. Ka, na, ta, ra, was. Country. Ba, na, la, da, sh. Bangladesh. This is my country, Bangladesh. I, la, the, love. Ha, ra, her. Ba, ra, very. Ma, ch, much. I love her very much. She, the, is. She is the, ma, you, ta. Most, ba, you, t, la. Beautiful. Ka, na, ta, ra, country. Na, in. The. Wo, ra, la, the. World. She is the most beautiful country in the world.
What's that? It's a new joke. What did you say? Give me a pen. Let me tell you a secret. We can fight back together. Thank you.
She's my daughter. They are my classmates. What is your purpose? Do you like me? I don't know. She is my daughter. They are my classmates. What is your purpose? Do you like me? I don't know.
Just the last session on it. I'm just focusing on phonetic circum. There is a rhythm, kind of music works in pronunciation. So I'm trying to sing a song with accurate pronunciation. Let's see whether I can. I'm not sure. I'll imitate a voice. So let's see. This is a very nice song. It's a prayer song. It's about life. Life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. I hear you call my name, and it feels like home. When you call my name, it's like a little prayer down on my knees. I wanna take you there in the midnight hour. I can feel your power just like a prayer. You know I'll take you there. I hear your voice. It's like an angel sighing. I have no choice. I hear your voice. Feels like flying. I close my eyes. Oh God, I think I'm falling out of the sky. I close my eyes. Heaven help me. When you call my name, it's like a little prayer down on my knees. I wanna take you there in the midnight hour. I can feel your power just like a prayer. You know I'll take you there just like a prayer. You know I'll take you there like a child. You whisper softly to me. You are in control. old, just like a child. Now I'm dancing, it's like a dream. No end and no beginning. Oh God, I see, life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. I hear you call my name, and it feels like